Bro, the girl with the sing song, yeah.
More music at NigerLoaded.com.
I need to baby you. Feel okay.
Tiwa Savage. Still be on the beat.
Me, I get a girl I go die for. I get a girl I go sing for. 50 girls on default, but now you be the one I go kill for. Baby girl, you be jailer. Handcuff me, no go leave me, oh. You be one in a million. Baby, chop on my million. See like Weezy, baby, I'm my out, my out, my out. Like
Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are well and good. My name is Celine. Welcome to my little world. If you are new, hi, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would truly and greatly appreciate it. It's the red button here, just click it. It's free. I'm not gonna charge you. YouTube is not gonna charge you. So please click the subscribe button and also click the bell button beside the subscribe button so you can always get notifications on whenever I post up videos. So guys, and if you are an old but returning subby, hey, what's up? You guys are the real MVPs. Thank you guys so much for coming back to watch my video. I truly appreciate it. Well, anyways guys, this is going to be today's look or today's tutorial. It's going to be on a Kim Kardashian West inspired makeup look. This is inspired by the new collaboration with her and Makeup by Mario. If you're not aware, Kim Kardashian West has her own cosmetics line, KKW, and recently, to celebrate her 10-year anniversary with Mario being her makeup artist, she decided to release a line with Mario, a line dedicated to him, so under her cosmetic line. So this is one of the looks that he created on her, because in the eyeshadow palette, I don't have any of the collection, but in the eyeshadow palette it has this really beautiful cobalt blue eyeshadow in it, and Mario did a look with the cobalt blue eyeshadow, so I was like, oh my gosh, this is like really beautiful. I think I need to try this look. So yeah, that is the inspiration for this look. I basically recreated it using the eyeshadows that I have. So if you guys don't have that blue eyeshadow, or you don't have if you can't get your hands on the Kim Kardashian West eyeshadow palette, because I'm not sure how much it retails, I will put it on the screen if I eventually browse it and check how much the collection retails. But this is a really good dupe for the eyeshadow. This is the L'Oreal Infallible All Night Blue eyeshadow. That's basically what I used on my eye. So guys, yeah, if you would like to see how I go from this to this, keep on watching. So for the eyes, I'm just going to go into my Snazzaro white face paint, and I'm going to just apply that all over my eyelids. So I'm going in with my Coty Airspun powder to set that. So for my first color, I'm going into this my Sleeks palette. I'm going to take this really deep blue shade as my transition color. Once I'm done blending out those shadows, or that shadow, and I'm satisfied, I'm going into this L'Oreal Infallible All Night Blue eyeshadow, and that is going to be my eyelid color. lighten up that blue, I'm going into my Nuban Beauty Obsession palette, and I'm taking this blue shade right here. That's it. That's the eye look done. So in the picture it looks like it doesn't look like she has like a wing liner, but it looks more like she Mario smudged a bit of like black on her eye line. So I'm just going to use this pencil and just like smudge black on my line. So I'm gonna apply some mascara. I'm using my L'Oreal Mega Volume mascara. So in the picture it doesn't look like I don't think she has lashes on, but I'm gonna pop on some lashes. So I'll quickly do this other eye off camera and pop on my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so both eyes are done. These are what the eyes look like. Well, now it's time to do my face. So my face is already moisturized. To prime my face, I'm just going to go into my Black Radiance True Complexion Primer. So once I'm done applying my primer, I have highlighted and contoured with my Makeup Revolution's Camouflage Pro HD Concealer Palette. That's the palette that I'm holding now. So I just highlighted, I contoured, blending out with my, I don't know if it's toothbrush. I don't know what to call this brush. But anyways, I'm going to be going in for my foundation. I'm going to be going into my Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm just going to smoothen and blend all the contour and highlight with this foundation brush. So once I'm done blending out the foundation with my sponge, I'm going into my Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder in Neutral Light to set my under eye. Once I'm done setting my under eye, I'm just going to go over that with my Coty Airspun powder just to highlight the under eye a bit more. To blend off all that powder, I'm going into my Black Opal Pore Perfecting powder in medium brown. I'm just going to use that to just dust off all that powder and to set the rest of my face. So once I'm done setting my face, I'm just going to contour with my BH Cosmetics, or to set my contour with my BH Cosmetics contour palette. So to finish off the eyes, I'm going to go back into that Snazaro white face paint and just apply that on my lower lash line. Then going back into that Nuban Beauty eyeshadow in Tenapa, I'm just going to apply that on over the white liner. Then to line my waterline, I'm just going to use a black pencil because she had black on her waterline. And that is the eye look complete. So to just highlight my brow bone, I'm going to go into my Fenty Beauty in Trophy Wife. Then to set my entire makeup, I'm going in with my Mario Badescu setting spray just to take away all that powderiness. So once that is dried up, I'm going to highlight now my cheekbones, same with that Fenty Beauty. Just usual places: cheekbones, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin. Once I'm done highlighting and I am glowing to the gods, I'm just going to move on to my lips. For my lips, I'm going in first with my Jordana lip pencil in brown suede. Once I'm done applying that, I'm going into my black opal color stick in the shade Henny. Once I apply that color stick, I'm going to use my KKWxMAKEUP lip gloss in cappuccino on top of that, and that is my finished look, guys. I hope you guys like this look. So guys, this is my makeup tutorial for today. I hope you guys like it. If you did like this look, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Yes, I actually love this look. Like it's I don't know what's the word to use. It's like out there but not out there, if that makes any sense. But anyways guys, if you did like this look, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video and also comment down below if you would be bold enough to try this look for yourself. I think I can definitely rock this look. Like, no me, I don't really think. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Until my next video guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye. Mwah.